I have dry fish, I have fresh habanero pepper, blended habanero pepper, utazi, some boiled gizzard. I always have some stew. So this is just fried tomato and bell pepper, very tiny tomato, and very tiny. Then I have Ugba, abacha, and some red onion. I love red onion. And of course, a little dry fish and my palm oil. Alrighty, let's cook our abacha. Ugba goes in first because I like the ugba to cook. When it's cooked, then I can throw everything else. The gizzard is already cooked. The abacha, literally, you're just mixing it in. So usually we'll put this first. And I'll just cover it and let that cook. Remember, you don't have any water in here, so we're letting this cook and making sure your stove is really, really low. Awesome, it's not burning. Fire is low. We're just gonna put our gizzard in. I don't like the gizzard when it's too hard, so I just poured it in, but I still have the broth in here that I want to throw out. Notice I'm just kind of frying it and I'm stirring it a lot so it doesn't burn. So right now all I have in there is a little red onion, Ugba, the oil bean, and some red, Ugba, onion, and the gizzard, which I already boiled before now. Abacha is sharp. Doesn't take this long. I have made abacha without actually frying it. If the Ugba was already cooked, then I won't have to do that. I put my fish in. My fish is already washed. Now let us taste. See, my onion is not going to be so crunchy. That's why I always like to save some and pour the rest of it when it's almost done. Delicious. Now, I'm going to put the fresh pepper. Let's put a little by little. Let's put a little teaspoon first. I showed you guys how I preserve my habanero pepper. I buy in bulk, blend it up, and I put it in little ice trays. So when you're cooking, it's not a production. It's just everything is. It's just easy for you. Now let's put our abacha. The more pepper. I might put a little bit back. Yep. I'll just go ahead and pour all of it. So this is about a tablespoon, a heap, heap of a tablespoon. I love the really local delicacy. Whenever I'm out of town and I have the opportunity to have some of this, take this over fine dining. Fine dining is nice every now and then. I love this dish so much, guys. If I'm not careful, I'll be done eating dinner by the time I'm done cooking it. By the time I'm done cooking, I won't have to serve myself because I ate while I was cooking. So now remember the onion, and I put the rest of that. This I love to use for garnishing. So when I plate my food, I'm gonna put some of the raw onion on top. I like to put some of the raw pepper on top too, but I'm gonna pour the entire thing in here. Then my otazi leaf, I put in a little water and I just put it in there. And that's it. So all that's in here is the ugba, the abacha, some gizzards that I boiled. I didn't put any water when I was boiling the gizzards because with any meat, you see the water will start coming out when you start boiling it. So what else? Some red onion, some fresh habanero, otazi, and some seasoning powder, seasoning salt, seasoning cube, whatever you use for seasoning. And you can make it as spicy as you want. I like it spicy. So of course it's very spicy. And that's it. It's ready. So I put half of the onion when I started. And I put the other half just before I finish. That way my onion is still, I get a little crunch with every bite. Yep, and my lights just died. Hopefully you can still see. I'm all done. You can turn this off. Oh, it's so hot. Consistent in your ways. It's delicious. Try this recipe. If you look down in the comments and description box, I will leave all of the ingredients you need. Simple. I think the last time I posted it, I didn't really carry you guys with me. I just cooked it. I think, I can't remember. All right, have a good day. Look no further, look at me.